Good afternoon, people. It's TJ's Holden 79, and I'm at the Bendigo airport today to show you what us Bendigodians do for the flood relief of Echuca, Shepparton, Rothschild, Kerrang and all surrounding areas. This is our part to help everyone. Hope you enjoy this, as I'm going to be enjoying making it. There's a great big military chopper here, and that's going to be leaving around 12:30. All I've been told by the big boss, Nikki, it's very, very loud. So, hope you enjoy the filming. I need over 1,000 subscribers for my YouTube, and please press that button. Thank you.